Guys, it's 2 Minute Tuesday, and I think I've got a good one for you. Good boy. Here's what I need you to do. Go out to your car, doesn't matter if you have a GR86 or a BRZ, and hop inside. Once you're inside, roll down your driver's side window. Actually, it doesn't matter what side you roll down, just roll down your windows. Once they're rolled down, turn the car off and then hop back outside. All right, now I want you to take your keys and lock the car. Once the car is locked, we're gonna take the keys and set them aside far enough away so that the car doesn't sense them. I'm gonna put them on the desk over here by the Sour Patch Kids. So the key is over there. When I try to open the door with the door handle, it doesn't unlock like it normally would if the keys were in my pocket. So we'd assume, let's say the window is up. If somebody were to smash the window, pow, and then manually reach in there and unlock the door and open it, the alarm should go off, because that's how alarms work. If you lock your car and somehow the door gets open, the alarm should go off. But let's see what happens. So again, door is locked. We're gonna unlock the door, open it up. Look at that, absolutely nothing. Check this out, on top of that, if you look inside the car on my dash, you'll see a red alarm light that flashes, which would make you think that the alarm is working like it should, but I guess that's not the case. What's going on? So here's the deal, guys. These cars come from the factory overseas with the alarm system off. That is the default setting, and I don't know if the dealer is supposed to turn it on for you or not. The dealer that this car came from didn't even remember to install the plugs underneath the car, so I doubt they would have remembered to turn the alarm system on. But if you go out to your car and do this, and it does exactly what mine did, let me show you guys how easy it is to turn the alarm system on. We're gonna jump back inside the car. Make sure you have your keys. I forgot to grab them the first time when I tried to film this, when I put it over there. But grab your keys. We're gonna put the car into the on position. Don't actually start it, but press the ignition button twice so that it says ignition on your dash. Once you've done that, quickly press and hold the unlock button and continue to press it while you open up the door, and then keep pressing it for another approximately 10 seconds. And you should hear your horn honk. If it honks once, that means the alarm system is armed. And if it honks twice, that means the alarm system is turned off. Now you have to do this rather quickly. So let me show you guys. I'll turn the ignition on, press and hold the unlock button, open the door, and hopefully we hear a honk. Just like that. So that should mean that our alarm system is now on and active. So let's try the same test we just did earlier and see if the alarm system goes off. One other note to keep in mind when you're doing that, you have to make sure that both the doors, the trunk, and the hood is completely closed. And like I said, you have to do it quickly, otherwise it's not going to work. Now I've locked the car, the keys are over there again, so let's break into the car and see what happens. Works like it's supposed to. Winston definitely wasn't a big fan of that, but now our alarm is working like it's supposed to. A lot of people, like myself, probably think that their alarm is on because of that flashing light on the dash when it's actually not. So I encourage you to go out and verify that your alarm is on like you think it is. And if it's not, luckily it's easy to turn on and off just like I showed you. And that's 2 Minute Tuesday for you guys. I have one other thing I want to share with you. The March Madness sale is currently live on the Driven Media website. You can save 10% off site-wide. That means headlights, taillights, side markers, LEDs, what else? Overlays, carbon fiber, merch. Everything on the website is 10% off using that code until I think the end of the 17th, whatever this coming Sunday is. I'll leave the details down below. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, comment down below. I'm always happy to help. And if you're enjoying the new content, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.